If you can walk with
Just
me,
hang out here.
if you can
Hang out
walk
here.
with me.
No, just hang on. Hang on.
Are you refusing to walk with me?
No, that's not what
That's
I'm
all.
saying.
I want you to walk with me so I can have it on
We're not
camera.
going to put you guys in a situation where
I'm not doing anything. If she does that, I'm calm. I'm talking to y'all. I'm not angry or anything. I just want to watch this.
She preferred that you did not go up there.
She preferred and what she's enforced. This is my house.
Okay. Let me find out.
Come on.
No, hang on.
He's asking so that we don't have an altercation.
I understand that, but feelings and preferredness is not law. Are you law enforcement or are you feelings enforcement?
Well, we don't want you to talk to her, and we don't want her to talk to you.
Okay, what you want and what's legal is two different things.
Okay.
Legal, I can knock on the door. I can ask for my
called
watches.
us. We're here to help you.
I know. And if
Well,
you're not going to help me, then I would ask for y'all to get on your vehicles and go about your way.
Do you
And
mind
you want me to
grabbing your
step
ID as
back? I don't have the ID.
Well, you do, because
Why?
you're involved in this.
Why?
Because I need to know who
What
I'm
law?
talking to. Okay.
3802? Am I arrested? Am I under
All right.
arrest?
That's
Am
how
I
this is gonna
detained?
go? Okay.
Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. We have a horrible video for you guys. This video sucks, but with good reason. The guy recording called the cops to assist him in getting his property back. He has to force them to do their job correctly. He practically has to hold their hands like toddlers. You're gonna like how he shuts down the cop who asks for identification. Being in a relationship is good until it goes bad. Sadly, couples don't seem to know how to break up without getting the cops involved. Property comes into play during disagreements. Cops get called and usually someone has to go to jail. Whenever police get called to your residence, you should already be recording by the time they show up. This guy knew this. His camera was rolling as the police cruiser's wheels were still in spin upon arrival. This is the first lesson of the day. Always film the boys in blue. Let's watch this video. Original channel. Link will be in the description as always. We'll pause for comments and give you our final thoughts at the end. Watch the full video to understand and appreciate how the man recording forced these cops to do their job properly, not the way they're used to doing things according to protocol. Here's your video.
Mr. Aguilar?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Is this your truck?
It is.
The Ford? All right. So we prefer not to have you directly in front of the house. Would you mind just moving back and talking with this officer real quick?
I'd rather just go ahead and ask for my watches and get this over with.
Okay. Yeah, but we don't want you. We want to keep y'all separated.
I mean, we're separated. I'm not going to stay there. I literally just want to knock on the door, ask for the watches.
We're going to go up and ask.
Why can't I go up to the house?
Because we want to keep y'all separated.
Am I trespassed?
I don't know.
I'm not trespassed. That is my house. I mean, I literally just want to knock on the door and ask for the watches.
Just trying to get some of your stuff.
I'm just trying to get watches because I'm not able to contact my daughter and she's keeping me from contacting her. She's not allowing me to talk to her. She's forgetting to charge it or forgetting to put it on. She kept me from seeing her yesterday. I was supposed to take her to the carnival. That got ruined. So, you know, I just don't want the watches or the tablet to get destroyed. She can have them whenever she's with me. So if she refuses to give them up, I want it on body cam. Also on my car, my phone as well. So I'm recording. So anything that I go to court with or anything, it's all documented. But, you know, I'd rather not have anything solicit or anything. So I'm there standing with y'all, can knock on the door. Hey, can I have the watches? Hey, can I have the tablets? No, that's fine. I'll turn around and leave. I'm not trying to make an argument out of this, you know, but I don't want you to talk to her and be like, oh, no, you know, you don't have to give it to her or anything. Hey, I want the watches and the tablet. No, that's fine. I'm not trying to make this a big deal, you know.
Well, she's requested that you don't go up to the front door. All right.
It's not illegal. I'm not doing anything.
No,
I'm just trying to knock on the
you
door.
want it on recording, and we're recording.
That's fine.
So
that's all I want to do. Y'all want to walk with me?
No.
Y'all not going to walk with me? Are you refusing?
What do you want? What problem?
I just told you I want to knock on the door, get my watches and the tablet, just so they're not destroyed. That's it. If you can walk with
Just hang
me,
out here.
if you can
Hang
walk
out here.
with me.
No, just hang on. Hang on.
Are you refusing to walk with me?
No, that's not what
That's
I'm
all.
saying.
I want you to walk with me so I can have it on
We're not
camera.
going to put you guys in a situation where
I'm not doing anything. If she does that, I'm calm. I'm talking to y'all. I'm not angry or anything. I just want the watches.
She preferred that you did not go up there.
She preferred and what she's enforced. This is my house.
Okay. Let me find out.
Come on.
No, hang on.
He's asking so that we don't have an altercation.
I understand that, but feelings and preferredness is not law. Are you law enforcement or are you feelings enforcement?
We're trying to
No,
prevent.
we don't have any dog in this fight.
Okay, then if you're not going to
But
help
if she
me,
doesn't
say
want
you're
you
not
up
going to
there,
help me,
then we're
get
not
in your
gonna
cars
fight.
and leave.
This part of the video is important. Police work for the people. The man called the police for service. They are there to help him. He is in charge. So when he tells the cops to get in their cars and leave, that they are not needed. This reminds them of who is in charge. He'll say it again shortly, and it's just as effective. Watch how he continues to make these cops work for him. A man with knowledge of the law and a camera is a powerful man.
We're not going to put you in that situation.
Okay, but if you're not going to help me, get in your cars and leave. Okay, can you come with me to the door? Can you come with me to the door so I can ask?
Contact first. That's all we're asking.
No, you're not going to come with me to the door? Can you come with me to the door? That's
Do you mind
fine.
if we? All he's asking is if we make contact first. If you just
I just want to ask for a watch and tablet. That's it.
Yeah, we can get-
I don't want any...
Absolutely. But do you mind just waiting right here, and just while we make contact, just so there's no physical?
We don't want you to talk to her, and we don't want her to talk to you.
Okay, what you want and what's legal is two different things.
Okay.
Legal, I can knock on the door. I can ask
You
for my
called
watches.
us. We're here to help you.
I know. And if
Well-
you're not going to help me, then I would ask for y'all to get on your vehicles and go about your way. So are y'all going to help me knock on the door and
We're
ask for
here
my
to help you,
tablet?
but we
Okay,
have ways
then.
that we do things.
Okay, I understand your policy, but I'm trying to do it legal. So I'm trying to go up there, and if you're not trying
She
to...
doesn't want you up there.
Okay, then I would like you to get off my property.
Okay. Well, we
Thank
have
you.
permission to be here from her.
No, I called. This is my property.
Doesn't matter.
Okay,
What's
then
going
I'm
on
going to
with
knock
these?
on the door.
You guys do this?
Yes, we are.
She asked that you do not have any contact with her.
That's fine.
Okay.
You can
Well,
stand up there.
We're going to honor that.
That's fine. You can honor it. It's not law, and her
Okay.
feelings is not legal. So
We don't have any feelings in this.
I said her feelings.
Okay.
I just need the girls' watches and the tablets. If
No longer, well, the tablets show your property, the watches are no longer your property.
yes, they are. They're under my account. If you don't want to give them to me, just say you don't want to give them to me. That's fine.
No longer on your account.
What do you say?
Yes, they are. I can prove it. Yes, they are. I can prove it. If you don't want to give them to me, just say so.
You can back away from the door and call your T-Mobile.
If you don't want to give them the watches, just say so.
An officer in here. I will not allow Luis in.
I'm not going inside. I'm just saying, tell them that you don't want to give me my watches, and I'll leave.
My daughter has proof on her phone. The watches and my phone and her phone are on her account.
Okay.
Okay, so you're not going to give up the watches.
They're not yours.
So you're not going to give up the watches.
Of course, they're
No.
not yours.
No, you're not going to give up the watches.
Are they yours?
No, are you not going to give up the watches?
Okay, this is ridiculous. And stop with the.
All I want
recording
is the
crap.
answer.
I'm sorry about
So
the
no?
mosquitoes.
Yes, ma'am. We tried to keep y'all separated. He insisted on coming up here.
I know.
So no?
That's what he does.
Is that the answer?
And
No.
Does he,
That's
does he
what he
live
does
here
too.
anymore?
No, he
I am.
requested to.
My name's on the property.
He requested to pack his stuff. He requested a divorce.
She kicked me out.
And
How long-
he left.
how long ago
I
did
did
he
not
leave?
kick
She
you
kicked me
out.
out.
Okay, I have the text messages of that
Mm-hmm.
too. You left, and you
So
requested
you don't live here
to
anymore?
leave.
No,
I
I
understand
was
you-
kicked out.
you-
Yes,
You were.
I was kicked out.
Okay.
So no, you're not going to give
Are
me
we
the
done here?
watches or the tablet.
You can get her tablet. It's on the kitchen table.
Okay.
I'll let.
I'm not
Abby-
gonna go in the
Abby
house.
know. Oh, thank you.
Mhm.
I'll let Abby know that you took.
And
the
you,
tablet.
and the watches, so I can't talk to her anymore because you just so I'm not going to
No,
do
I
that.
didn't take you off her watches.
Anyways, if I can have it and the watches, but if you don't want to give me the
Do
watches,
you mind
then no.
grabbing your ID? Just
It's not a
so that I
problem.
can
Can
say
you
who I
come in
spoke
here
to.
though?
Yeah, in just a second. Do you
You
mind
want me
grabbing
to
your
step
ID as well?
back? I don't have the ID.
Well, you do because
Why?
you're involved in this.
Why?
Because I need to know who
What
I'm
law?
talking to. Okay.
3802. Am I arrested? Am I under
All right.
arrest?
That's
Am
how
I
this is gonna
detained?
go?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And here is proof of the importance of knowing your rights along with the laws. As soon as the man said 3802, the cop put away his little notepad and asked, "All right, this is how it's going to go." Then he took the longest step of shame of his life. That one had to hurt.
Am I under
All right.
arrest?
That's
Am
how
I
this
detained?
is gonna go?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So 96. You check priors and see if Mr. Aguilar's been run. We ID everybody that we come in contact with.
I understand that's your policy.
Did you get what you needed?
I'm waiting on it.
He's gonna get a tablet.
And then this officer decides to run me. I didn't give him my information, so it's illegally running it because I didn't give it to you.
No, it's not.
You can run my plates.
What's going on with YouTube?
She's just mentally abusive, so I can't deal with it anymore. I dealt with it 7 years, and I decided to leave. So now that I'm
When did you
trying
leave?
to, a few days ago.
2 days ago?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Where are you staying
Yeah.
at now? You got family or something?
I got everything a little bit everywhere. I work kind of here and there, so
I got you. What, how many kids you guys got together?
technically I don't have any kids. They're not mine. They're not on paper. They're not blood. They're not anything. But I raised that little girl since
Right.
6 months years old.
Okay.
So, we got her from a bad situation. We raised her together. And then, now I legally don't have any authority over her. Not even authority. I legally don't have any rights to see her or
But you
anything.
guys were married, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you raised the child together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, like,
But
You're
there's no
saying, like, in the
paperwork.
family court?
There's none of that. It's all her daughters,
Right.
which was technically she's my granddaughter, and she took her from her daughter. So she has
okay. I
paperwork
see what you're saying.
to be able to be a guardian. I's just the guy in her life, but she knows me as dad because I've been the only guy in her life. But legally, I have no legality
Like, the
under
judge
it.
is saying that or what?
No, I don't, because we never filed any paperwork. So there's no adoptions, there's none of that. I'm gonna have to go through that and to see if I can't get it done. If there's a way
The
to do
family
it.
court,
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know if there's a way.
And she's not playing ball with you or what?
She's being difficult about it. So
And so when she was supposed to go with you yesterday, she just said no, or
well, yesterday was I was telling her about money separations and everything. I was trying to be civil about it and everything. Then, I left enough money in our account to be able to pay the bills. She withdrew it all, took everything out because I transferred the rest over to my account.
Married?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, no, she
Unfortunately,
can.
she's allowed
She
to do
can. I mean, that wasn't a big deal. I just, hey, that was for bills. I'm not putting anything else in that account. That was for bills. So I hope you use it for bills. You
But
want to
took
take over
money out
everything.
for you too.
I
You separated
transferred
it
it to an account, so I have one half, and I'm going to take care of the bills. And she took it all out, and I was like, I'm not putting any other money in there.
Yeah.
That was for bills, so I hope you use it for bills.
Okay, I
So,
gotcha.
it is what it is, and that became an argument. And then I tried to call my daughter, and she was like, oh, well, she didn't have her watch on. Well, every day when I was here, when we bought them, every day she had them on. Every day she was able to use it. Every day. Then all of a sudden she can't use it. All of a sudden she can't answer my phone
whatever.
calls.
She's
All of a
left
sudden
the
she's not
watch
able
at
to
the
do that,
house over
and she's
and
never
over.
done that before. It just so happened conveniently she started to do that once I left the house.
Oh,
So
no.
it is what it is, but I understand.
It is what it is.
Have you
You're
guys
off your
started?
rocker.
Have you guys started the paperwork and everything?
Yes,
No, it's
I
over the
already have
weekend.
an
I have to go
attorney.
on Monday.
1354, 59.
I have an
Is
attorney
there
as of
any
Friday.
other? Is there any more of your property inside?
Yeah, I have to schedule one to come get it, but
You're gonna stay-
yeah, I have to make sure I have room for it.
Do you have like?
And that's if she doesn't destroy it or get rid of it or throw it away.
Well, I'm sure you're familiar with the civil side, right?
Yeah, but it
Yeah,
doesn't
so
mean
she-
she can't. It doesn't mean she
That
can't.
doesn't mean she can't, but if she does, there's repercussions.
Yeah.
It still shows Daddy
Is
on
Yeah.
there. He is still on their
anything
watches.
that you
I
need
have
here
not
today besides the tablet and the watch? Like, do you have all your hygiene stuff and all that kind of stuff you need?
I can get all that stuff. I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right, folks, here are my final thoughts. This guy raised the woman's kid like his own. Now, 7 years later, he has to leave the home for good. The woman should definitely take that into consideration. The man asked for some items back, a tablet and some smart watches. That's why he called the cops, so they can help him retrieve those items. In my opinion, he could have left those items for the kid. Here's why. Recently, a friend of mine split up from his wife. He was happy about the split. She bitched at him quite a bit. But when he mentioned the fact that he wouldn't be able to play video games with her son, he couldn't stop himself from shedding some tears. He said she wouldn't let him speak to the son over the phone, so he decided to leave behind his PlayStation 5 so he and her son could find a way to find each other through gamer tags and become friends again. He told the kid that as soon as he gets a little older to look for him. He will be there for him with advice and guidance like a father would to a real son. There are good people on this earth just trying to do the right thing. Raising a kid that's not yours is an honorable thing to do. Kids need role models, especially when their biological parents leave them behind. Relationships can be a tricky thing. You can love someone and hate them at the same time. The sad thing is, when you break up, you get all emotional. Anger sets in. You break each other's things, call each other horrible names. You use their weaknesses against them. You become vindictive towards each other. One of you starts calling the cops. The cops get involved, and there is no situation a cop can't make worse. Ask yourself this before calling the cops. They're bringing a gun here. How can they help? Cops are trained to control the scene. The problem is, they don't know where the scope of their authority begins and ends. They were improperly trained, therefore it's not the videographer's fault. This cop looks like a giant toddler who just lost his favorite new toy. They take presumed authority and try to turn it into absolute unbridled power. It's important that you record every encounter you have with police as well as every transaction you have with any agent of government. Keep in mind that government is a business, and you're the client. We're going to put the original channel link in the description for you folks. Make sure to go subscribe and say hello. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.